make me wanna.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a glow tutorial using only drugstore makeup products. So with that being said, let's get started. So I already did my eyebrows off camera because that was tripping. I usually do that last. But anyways, I use the brow, this is the Brow Define and Fill Duo by Maybelline, and it's in the color Deep Brown. So I already did that, and I already applied my moisturizer. And for moisturizer, if you guys see my previous videos, I've talked about the Garnier Green Labs Pore Perfecting Serum. And I love this stuff, you guys. It makes my skin feel super smooth, super soft, super moisturized. And it also has SPF in it, which, where your SPF, please. And then I went in with the NYX Angel Veil Primer as well. So, let's jump right in. So today I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. This also contains sunscreen. It has SPF 25, and this is in the color 460. I believe it's golden beige is the color. And this is how it looks. I've been hearing a lot of influencers raving about this, and lately, since this whole corona, not a lot of people have been going out. We've been stepping out the house a lot. And I was like, let me stop using my expensive foundation, because I don't usually just put on makeup maybe for pictures or for a little video. I'm like, let me just get me a new drugstore one and try something new. So I looked it up, did my little research, and I heard that L'Oreal was one of the ones that was popping right now, so gave it a try. And I'm going with my Morphe 439 M439 brush. I was pretty shook, y'all, because right now they don't let you swatch the makeup. There's no testers out due to COVID, so I had to do a little guessing. This is pretty close to me. I actually never bought anything from L'Oreal, foundation wise. But yeah, I was loving this. I love the concealer as well too. And for this, I don't really drag it to my neck because it is pretty much close to my color. Usually when it's not too close, then I might. And personally, I like doing my eyebrows afterwards because I feel like foundation and everything else just gets all over them. Alright, next I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Full Wear. This is the Infallible Concealer, and it's in the color Cashew, which is 365. I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit. And I like to let my concealer sit, so I'm going to just leave that on there for a little while I just go ahead and bronze up my face. And for bronzer, this is the Forever Sun Kissed by e.l.f. This is how it looks. And I'm going to be using this brush from B8. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and blend this in. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this concealer in real quick. I feel like this lighting has me looking super pale. I'll go ahead and use this setting powder from Revolution. This is in the color Banana Light. Sometimes I like to just dump it into the lid. And I'll take my other little BH brush and just dab and set. And y'all, this is one of my favorite powders because of how good it just looks. This one in the Fit Me from Maybelline is my favorite. I feel like it's going on my eye. And I'm just going to dab this into the remaining powder that's in the lid to clean up. I know my eyes are probably red right now, y'all. And around my mouth because that's where creasing likes to come and creep on me. Alright, so for eyeshadow, I'm just gonna think I'm gonna do something basic and just go in with this. I hate trying on new palettes and then I'm like on camera and I'm like, oh, this is completely different than what I was going for. Okay, so I'm going with the e.l.f. bronzer that I showed y'all. Contour, whatever it is. I'm gonna go with this little Eco Tools brush. And just, I like to put that on the lid. I get my lashes done. I don't like to do too much to the to my lids, which on the regular, even without them, I don't. And then I'm gonna use this palette. This is called Nudes of New York by Maybelline. I think I'm gonna go in this color right here called Dreamer. And just put that on the inner. Alright, you guys, my camera decided to quit on me with this Rousseau. So, I applied this Maybelline New York. Let me just start with this. I went ahead and used that color in the inner corner like I stated. I also went ahead and used this blush color in the color Nude. And it's from Maybelline. And for lips, I don't know what to do. Because I did a color, but it was too mauve. It was too, like, pinkish on camera. So I'm gonna go ahead with my NYX Nude Truffle lip liner. It's probably upside down. Oops. I'm gonna go with the Sweat n Wild lipstick. It's in the color Bare It All. And this one's matte. This is a really matte lipstick, so I'm going to go ahead and top it off with this NYX Clear Lip Gloss. And next I'm going to add this Makeup Revolution. This is their strobe highlighter, and I don't know what color it's in. I think it's in the color Everglow Lights. This is how it looks. Sorry. I can never open these. And I'm going to go ahead and top it up with this Maybelline New York Master Fix Plus. I'm going to go ahead and change so you guys can get a more feel of the look. So I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so I just went ahead and threw on a random bodysuit. So this is the finished look. Alright you guys, so this concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you guys can be notified when I do upload a new post. With that being said, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!